Welcome to the Spellbinders February 2026 3D Embossing Folder of the Month Club called Shady Leaves. This 3D embossing folder creates a 3D effect of pretty spring leaves and vines. This is a very versatile design that could be used with Easter, spring, anniversary, thinking of you cards, and much more. The 3D embossing folder's 5.5 by 8.5 inch size means that you can use it to create A2, 5 by 7, slimline, and other large size cards. Let's use this month's 3D embossing folder to create a card. Cut a piece of Spellbinders beeswax cardstock to 4¼ by 5.5. Mist the cardstock with Spellbinders Mighty Mister and be sure to give the water some time to soak into the cardstock before embossing it. Place the cardstock inside the 3D embossing folder and line it up on the part of the design that you want to emboss. To create the Platinum 6 sandwich for 3D embossing, start with the platform base A, place the embossing folder with cardstock inside down next, and then add the Spellbinders adapter plate D. Run that sandwich through the die cut machine. The details of the leaves and the height of the embossing is absolutely incredible with this folder. It makes such a pretty background that you could add a sentiment and call it a day. Or cut the embossed panel down to 3¾ by 5 inches and add tape runner behind it and adhere it down to a piece of Spellbinders lavender cardstock cut to 4 by 5¼ inches. Place the tape runner behind the lavender cardstock and adhere that down to an A2 piece of white cardstock, and then adhere that to a top folding A2 card base. Die cut and assemble this month's small die of the month and add foam squares to the back to pop it up on top of the embossed background. Do the same with a stamped and die-cut sentiment from the clear stamp and die of the month. Add an extra egg from the small die next to the wheelbarrow to complete the card. Thank you for choosing Spellbinders Club Kits. Happy crafting!